New day, new exercise. So today we will be working on the filter function, and we will be solving this exercise where we have to use the filter function in DAX measure to provide a filtered version of a table to the other function. So you can download the file from here. I've already downloaded the file. This is the file, how it looks like. So it's saying that create a measure which uses the SUMX and filter function to calculate the total ticket sold for sold out shows only. So sold out shows. We already have this ticket, then the count of shows, how the sold out shows are calculated. You can compare ticket available and ticket sold column to determine if the show was called outsold. Okay, so we have ticket available and ticket available and ticket sold. These are the two columns. Sum of ticket sold. So I can add one more column where I will mark it as ticket available, sum of ticket available. That's all. So we had sold and available. Now we will make a column called ticket sold. Ticket sold is already there. Tickets for sold out shows. So tickets for sold out shows. Tickets for sold out shows. Calculate. We will be using SUMX. Table is ticket. I don't know which table have this ticket thing. Let me first check this. Show table has ticket. Show. Okay. And then we will use the filter function. Instead of working with this calculate, we can directly use some x. Let's say some x, and we can use filter here. Filter. The table is show table, right? And then, yeah, the show table. And then the expression is sold, like ticket available equal to this ticket available equal to ticket sold, right? And then we will close this and we will enter. Let's see if it is working or not. No, it's not working. So why it's not working? Because here you can see it's throwing us an error. So we will take the column only, and now we will close this. And if we close, see, now here is giving the error, but we have to give the expression here. Okay, what does we want? We want the sum of the ticket sold. This one, like we have the ticket sold already. Here the so in this DEX measure, we have mentioned that do sum x of filter, where we are using filter where tickets available equal to tickets sold, and then filter with the ticket sold. So if I put this in the table, and if we check ACDC 7616 350, yes, we are having the accurate value. Now it's saying that create two another measures using the filter function to do the following. Count of shows which were cancelled. So let's do one thing, add one more measure. Count of show which were cancelled equal to the cancelled column contain 1 if the show was cancelled. So we will be just calculate count. We already have this count shows where mm, cancelled show cancelled equal to 1. That's all. And if we put this in the table, so for this Calendion 89, are we having Calendion 89 and 31 for share? 31 for share, yes. And then we have count of shows mention COVID. So I will just name a new measure called count shows cancelled by COVID. So I will just take calculate and count of shows that were cancelled, comma, and continue, which mention COVID as a reason. So reason equal to, or we can use contain string here, contain string within text, that's COVID, and I will close this and enter and try to put this here, and let's check 70 and 22, 70, 22. You see, we are getting the accurate values. Now it's saying that add a measure which counts the shows where the country is Spain or the venue type is building. Use filter and related function to do this. So shows count in Spain or Berlin. Bullring. So adding one more measure, naming it as count of shows Spain and Bullring. So we will take count of shows only, okay, and we will take filter function with the relate function. So now we need to connect venue type also. So if we take country equal to Spain or related, in related we have venue, or yeah, we can directly use this like venue ID. I think, is it venue ID, or let's first check where we can find bullring. Venue category, venue type. Are we having bullring here? Yeah. In venue type, we are having bullring here. So using this, let's just try this first. Oh, I need to remove this. And now it's not giving us any error, but let's see if it's giving anything here. So ACDC 11, Bad Bunny 7. So ACDC is not giving us anything. So what we will do, so we will be using count rows function here. Okay, count rows, and we will be using filter and the show, where we will be using related function on, first of all, the country name should be Spain, right? And we can use related function again on venue type, which would be bullring, right? And if I close this venue type, okay, venue type bullring. So need to close this. If I click enter and close this, and then you can see that AC DC 11 and Bad Bunny 16, 7, yeah, 7. So yes, this is how we use the filter function with the SUMX function, and we filter down whatever contains string is there or any other function is there. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.